my stallions. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. First of all, how crazy is it that we are already at the end of the third month, like at the end of March? Like, it just seems like yesterday when we were all just like super excited about 2015 starting, and I know I was just like so over 2014, and I was like, yay, a new year for new things, and now it feels like it's just going so fast, and it's crazy. So yeah, I felt like I decided to do a monthly roundup video from now onwards. I got the idea because I realized that over the last couple of months there's just been a lot going on around the world, and so many things just happening that we just crazy things, with all these plane crashes and stuff, and innocent people losing their lives over nothing really. Like, I feel so blessed to have another day, and I felt like it's important to just live life to the fullest and just take a moment sometimes to appreciate what you have, because life's short. You never know what's gonna happen tomorrow, and you just need to learn to count your blessings. And that's why I decided to do a monthly roundup, just to acknowledge the fact that I've been granted such great opportunities, and that I've been granted another day, another minute to live. So yeah, I present to you my March roundup. This month has been pretty busy for me. It's been like the busiest month this year for me, particularly with school, because as some of you might know, I'm in university and this is my first year. So like there's a lot going on. It's just been such a busy month. A lot of stuff due, assignments, projects. I had a lot of presentations as well, group assignments and all that, and oh my gosh, it's just been a crazy month. I've also had a lot of stress this month because of all the work that I had, which then also led to some health issues, because obviously with stress stress is really is bad. Stress is bad. I speak from experience. Also, with that said, just let me know if you guys want me to do a video about tips and tricks to be able to manage your stress, and just things that I do personally to help with stress management, and to help with just getting over stressful situations or handling stressful situations more efficiently. Also, this month I realized that I'm a really passionate person. Like, because of all the work that I had, I realized that when I really want something to go right, and when I really believe in something, I can go like really crazy. Like, I go crazy over it, and I become so passionate about it, and to a point where sometimes I can even get really frustrated with people. I say this because I did group presentations, and a lot of the things that I was working on, I got very passionate about, because one, I got passionate about it because, well, it's my schoolwork, and I don't play with my academics, I don't play like that. And also some presentations felt really close to home, and they meant a lot to me, so I felt very passionate about them, and I just felt very I felt like I needed to give my all to all of that stuff, and just yeah, that's what I realized about myself this month, that I'm a very passionate person, and when I want something to go right, I go all in, and I try my best to make it like the best. So this month, I am thankful for my family support. Like, with all that's been going on, like, I needed like family. I needed friends. I needed their support, and they were all there for me in whatever way they could. Like, being away from home, and being by myself in a place that isn't really home for me, is difficult. And when there are other things that stress you out as well, and other things that you have to deal with, like, it gets really intense real quick. So I'm thankful that my family has supported me, even with the distance between us. Like, I still feel their support, and I'm like just really, really thankful for them, especially this month. I'm also extremely thankful for God's presence in my life, His evident presence in my life, because with all the stuff that's been going on, with all the stuff that I've had to do and all the health issues that I've had this month, it's only because of God that I've been able to get through this. He gave me strength to get through it, and He supported me through it all, and He held my hand, and He guided me. So, like, I am forever thankful to Him, really, not just this month, but like, I'm just thankful to Him for everything that He has done and His presence in my life. I'm thankful for His protection. Like I said, with everything that has been happening around the world right now, I'm still here because He has protected me, and because He has sustained me and gotten me through this journey of life. I'm just very, very grateful to Him. I'm also very thankful for my professors and their understanding, and their helpfulness, really. It's important in an academic setting to have very understanding professors, people that you can go to whenever you don't understand something, whenever things are getting a bit hectic with school and stuff. It's very, very helpful to have understanding professors, and professors who are always willing to help. I don't know, like, the number of times that I've sent emails and met with my professors this month has been like crazy, because like I said, it's been a very stressful month, academic side and all that stuff. So it's been very, very helpful that they've been understanding of my situation and have been very understanding in all aspects. Of course, I am very thankful for you guys, my subscribers, and also just everybody who has supported me on this channel and has liked my Facebook page. If you guys didn't know that I had a Facebook page, the links are down below in the description box, so you can find the page and like it. I post some other like quotes and stuff up there, so that would be quite interesting. And I also just write sometimes. So yeah, I'm very, very thankful for you guys, and thankful for your support, and so thankful for everything, like all the comments, and I'm thankful for you guys. Thank you so much. Last but not least, I am so thankful that the winter is gone. I am so thankful. Like, it's been awesome since the first day of spring. The snow is all melted, well, not all melted, but like it's melting, and the sun is out and it's getting warmer, and like I'm not wearing that many layers anymore, which is great. Like, oh my gosh, it's been awesome. It's just been so great. Like, I'm so happy that the winter is gone. I'm not into cold weather, obviously, and I'm just not a fan of snow anymore. So yeah, I'm so happy that the winter is gone. Forward to next month. Next month is my last month of my first year. I'm so happy. I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to finally being done with 1 year and going into a next chapter. I'm just very excited for that. I'm also just looking forward to making more videos for you guys and just sharing more with you guys, especially because now that I'll be done with like school for now until around August, September, I'll have more time to like make more content for you guys, and you know, it's just gonna be a great month. I feel like I aim to make this coming month super great and super awesome, and I'm just gonna try and, you know, enjoy the month. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to it getting warmer around here. Of course it is getting warmer by the day, but like obviously next month it's gonna keep getting warmer, and it's just gonna, you know, the sun is just gonna keep shining, and I'm really looking forward to that. So I guess that's my March roundup. I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below actually, and let me know what you are thankful for this month and what you look forward to. I would really love to hear from you guys. So yeah, with that said, thank you for watching. Oh, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and continue being awesome and just fantabulous. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Until next time.